Beets. Beetroot is a root vegetable that is typically deep purple or red in color, although it can also be yellow or white. Beetroot is a nutritious vegetable that has many health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of eating beetroot. 1. Good for the heart. Beetroot contains nitrates, which are converted to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps to relax and dilate blood vessels, which can lower blood pressure and improve blood flow to the heart. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Beetroot is rich in antioxidants like beta-alanes, which can help to protect the body against damage from free radicals and reduce inflammation. 3. Supports liver function. Beetroot contains betaine, which can help to support liver function and protect the liver from damage. 4. Promotes digestion. Beetroot is high in fiber, which can help to promote digestion and prevent constipation. 5. Boosts athletic performance. The nitrates in beetroot can improve athletic performance by increasing blood flow to the muscles and reducing the amount of oxygen needed during exercise. 6. May help to prevent cancer. Beetroot contains compounds like betaine and beta-cyanine, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Seven. Helps to maintain healthy skin. Beetroot is high in vitamin C, which is important for the production of collagen, a protein that helps to keep the skin firm and healthy. Overall, eating beetroot can be a great way to improve your overall health and well-being.